Is the stock market safe for everyone? How should one invest their money in stocks, or are there some people who should stay away? Our chief financial planner, Mr. Ramlingam, will guide us through. Ramlingam, the screen is yours.
So anyone who has short-term money, better to avoid the stock market. I have only 1 year, 2 year, 3 year money. Please avoid investing in stock market. If you have got kind of 5 to 7 years, 7 years is a very good time frame because 7 years is basically a market cycle. In that cycle, there will be a boom, there will be a recovery, there will be recession, there will be crash, market fall, there will be election. All the ups and downs will be there. Regardless of that, if someone could have stayed the course for entire 7 years time frame, it should have given them good return. But in the short term, definitely it is not for them. Short term market can correct, right? If you are comparing stock market to a sword, if a short term investor is catching the sword by its blade side, a long term investor is catching the sword by its handle side. When you are catching it by the handle side, it is actually a weapon for you. It will help you. If you are catching it on the other side, it will hurt you. So how you want to be, make use of stock market, you have to decide.
Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goals, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial experts. The link to the free booking is given in the description below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description. If you like this video, hit like and share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.